Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS console, access cloud services securely step by step clearly. First, open a trusted web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and make sure it is up to date. Type https://aws Amazon.com/ into the address bar and press enter to avoid fake or phishing pages. Click Sign in to the console in the top right corner of the AWS website. Choose the correct sign-in type based on what you have: root user, IAM user, or IAM Identity Center, SSO. If you are using root user, enter the email address for the AWS account and click Next. Enter the root password carefully and click Sign in. If you are using IAM user, select IAM user and enter your AWS account ID or account alias. Type your IAM username and password, then click Sign in. If your company uses IAM Identity Center, select it and follow your organization's SSO sign-in page. When prompted, complete multi-factor authentication by entering the code from your Authenticator app or hardware token. If you do not have MFA enabled yet, pause and set it up as soon as you can for stronger security. After signing in, confirm you are on the AWS Management Console homepage. Look at the top right corner and verify the correct AWS account name or account number is shown. Check the AWS region selector at the top right and choose the region you want to work in. Remember that many resources are region-specific, so always confirm the region before creating services. Use the search bar in the console to find a service quickly, such as EC2, S3, or IAM. Click the service name from the search results to open its dashboard. If you are new, open IAM and review your current users, roles, and permissions. Avoid using the root user for daily tasks and create an admin IAM user instead. Apply the principle of least privilege by granting only the permissions needed for the task. Check the browser address bar and ensure it shows an official AWS domain before entering credentials. Do not save AWS passwords in shared devices, and avoid signing in on public or untrusted computers. If you must use a shared computer, use a private browsing window and sign out immediately after. To sign out, click your account name in the top right and select Sign Out. Close all browser tabs related to AWS after signing out to reduce session risk. If you suspect unusual activity, change your password and review recent sign-in activity in security settings. For best practice, enable MFA for every IAM user and consider using SSO for centralized access. Repeat these steps anytime you need secure access to AWS cloud services through the console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.